The United States of America, USA or US, is a federal republic located in North America, made up of 50 states, a federal district, Washington, D.C., and several territories. It is one of the most influential nations in the world in terms of politics, economics, culture, and military power. Quick facts: Capital: Washington, D.C. Largest city: New York City. Population: approximately 334 million, 2025 est. Third most populous country after China and India. Area: approximately 9.8 million square kilometers, the third largest in the world. Language: no official federal language, but English is dominant. Spanish is widely spoken. Currency: US dollar, USD, dollar. Government: Federal Presidential Constitutional Republic. President: 2025, Joe Biden. Geography: the U.S. stretches across diverse landscapes. West: Rocky Mountains, deserts, Pacific coastline. Midwest: Great Plains and farmlands. South: subtropical climate, Gulf of Mexico coast. East: Appalachian Mountains, Atlantic coastline. Alaska: Arctic tundra, vast wilderness. Hawaii: tropical islands in the Pacific. It shares borders with Canada to the north and Mexico to the south. Economy: the U.S. has the largest economy in the world. Driven by technology and innovation: Silicon Valley, major tech companies, finance, Wall Street, New York Stock Exchange, energy, agriculture, and manufacturing. Entertainment and media: Hollywood. Music, streaming platforms: it is a founding member of major organizations like the United Nations, UN, NATO, World Bank, and IMF. Culture: USCulture is highly influential worldwide, known for Hollywood films, TV, and music. Sports: American football, basketball, baseball, ice hockey. Food: burgers, pizza, fried chicken, along with multicultural cuisines. Innovation: space exploration, NASA. Internet giants: medical research. History in brief: 1776, Declaration of Independence from Britain. 1789, U.S. Constitution ratified. 1861-65, Civil War ended slavery. 20th century. Emerged as a global superpower after World War's. 21st century. Known for technological leadership